Tired of your amazing WordPress content getting lost in the vast internet wilderness? Creating a sitemap is like giving Google Maps a detailed blueprint of your website. Ensuring every nook and cranny gets indexed, this video will show you how to generate and submit a sitemap, boosting your SEO. First, ensure you have a reputable SEO plugin installed. We're using Yoast SEO, a popular choice. Navigate to the plugin section in your WordPress dashboard and confirm it's active. If not, install and activate it. Now, in your WordPress dashboard, find the SEO tab, usually located on the left-hand side. Click on it, then go to General. Look for the Features tab. Ensure the XML Sitemaps option is toggled to, and this activates Yoast Sitemap functionality. To find your sitemap URL, click the question mark icon next to the XML Sitemap setting. A box will pop up with a link that says See the XML Sitemap. Click on that link. This page displays your sitemap, an XML file listing all your website's pages and posts. Copy the full URL of this page from your browser's address bar. Next, head over to Google Search Console. If you haven't already, verify your website with Search Console. Once verified, in the left-hand menu, select Sitemaps. Paste the sitemap URL you copied earlier into the Add a New Sitemap field. Click Submit. Google will now crawl your sitemap. It might take some time to process, but after a while, you should see a success status. This confirms that Google has received and processed your sitemap. And that's it. By creating and submitting a sitemap, you've significantly improved your website's discoverability and overall SEO. Keep creating great content, and Google will find it.